Do you know what the weirdest organ in the human body is? The brain or the heart? Actually, it's neither. It's the one we tend to ignore the most. Over 2,300 years ago, the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle asked why humans were able to become higher beings. It's just the brain alone that doesn't seem to make sense. Among all animals, there are unique skills. Why is it that humans are highly developed intellectually, but have little or no physical advantages? We can't see as well as eagles, we can't hear as well as cats, we can't smell as well as dogs. And bats have a radar sense of hearing that humans can't even begin to match. So what makes humans the superior beings? In fact, although humans are more backward than many animals, their sense of touch is far more accurate than other animals. When you close your eyes and touch an object around you, you can clearly feel whether it's made of glass or wood, metal or plastic. When you dig a hole with a shovel, you can easily tell if you're shoveling rocks or dirt, relying solely on the slightest feedback from the handle. It's unbelievable. What's even more amazing is that the touch of a loved one can make you feel like a spring breeze, while the touch of a stranger can give you goosebumps. These sensations that we are used to are not simulated by today's machines or artificial intelligence. It's a weird superpower that scientists still can't explain. Once, scientists did an experiment like this, exposing skin to 3 different environments. The skin in the dry environment worked hard to strengthen its stratum corneum to protect itself from the damage caused by the wet water. The skin in the moderate environment quickly adapted to the environment. In the more humid environments, scientists were surprised to find that the skin spontaneously began to slacken off. The stratum corneum slowly thinned and the barrier weakened. These 3 states of the skin brilliantly illustrate the great joy of being born in a state of distress and dying in a state of comfort. Because the skin in the experiment was already separated from the body, it was able to sense the environment independently of any control and adjust itself to assigned tasks. It can be said that the skin has the basic characteristics of life when it exists alone. Perhaps the skin is in a way the second brain of a human being. It has the characteristics of life and can sense the surrounding environment and recognize the material of objects. It can even adapt to the environment and proliferate itself, even when it's detached from the human body. This kind of superpower is like another dimension of existence.